Do you want to know how you can log into your Ceridian Payroll account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to How to Login. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Ceridian Payroll account. Go ahead and open any browser and go to the search bar to search for Ceridian Payroll login. Click on the second link which appears on your screen and it will take you to this login portal of Dayforce PowerPay, which is also the login portal of Ceridian Payroll. Write down your username, your password, and then click login, and then you can log into your account. If this is not your site, go ahead and go back and click on this link, which is the third one, and it will take you to this page. Now you can write down your user ID in the first box. After you write down your user ID, go to the password section, write your password, and then check your password by clicking on this icon over here. So after you write down your user ID and password, make sure that it is associated with your Ceridian Payroll account and click sign in. And you can successfully log into your Ceridian Payroll account this way. If you are a first-time user and want to register for Ceridian Payroll, this is the link for you. And if in case you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, this is the link for you to easily recover your password. I hope this video about how you can log into your Ceridian Payroll account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.